That's the old furnace. We hope it will be replaced soon by the new furnace, which is supposed to arrive pretty soon. That's where it'll be arriving from. Well, still waiting for the guys with the furnace. They called. They're lost. I gave them directions. We'll see what happens. This is what a house without a working furnace looks like. No, I'm not sure I really need a furnace anyway. Maybe it won't get cold this winter. It may just be a reckless extravagance. I don't know. Hi, Tucker. Hi, buddy. Still waiting. That is a cat who is waiting for a new furnace. Hi, Max. Buddy. That was the guys with the furnace on the phone. They are lost again. I'm going to go drive down and attempt to rescue them. Well, they're here. I went out in the car and found them and led them back. And one guy is checking out the installation.
They ain't gonna get upset because we're in their driveway already.
Huh? No. Oh.
This is easy.
This is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to fit in here. Where's the front of it? Over there?
Oh God. Oh my God, oh my God.
What's the height?
Between feeding two sets of cats, I'm exhausted.
Oh, poor you.
Yeah.
Okay, it's
Sorry.
the furnace coming in. Our first shot of the furnace, maybe.
Videotaping me?
Well, it's the whole fascinating process, you know.
Incriminating.
Oh no, it's. Why? Where'd you get the furnace? Oh my God! It fell off the back of the truck. Is it in there? Oh wow! Looks very nice. Oh, looks good. Oh God, don't drop it. It's pretty exciting, isn't it, Rebecca? They're bringing it out. Did you see they're bringing it out?
Yes.
Oh God. Oh my God, oh my God. Does it come with an instruction manual?
I'm sorry?
Does it come with an instruction manual?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
All we do is drop it off. You put it in.
What?
Yeah.
What?
We're just delivery boys.
Earl didn't tell me to do about that.
Oh, that was the bonus.
Oh, wow.
That's why you got such a good
Okay.
price.
Yep.
Okay, I guess I could do that. Not yet. You know, it's not a big deal, but I think I asked for the blue one. That's all right.
Spray paint.
This is nice.
Let's go. Oops, let's go home.
Yeah. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm not sure I can watch.
Your electric panel.
Uh-huh. Oh, it's upstairs.
Can you
The
turn the furnace off?
Yes.
Is it marked right?
I believe so. I'll. Do you want to have a look at it, or
If it's marked
I think
right,
it's marked.
I'll check it with my meter.
Okay. Take a minute.
Okay.
Turn off the fuse. I think I know what fuses are. Oh, what the
You
hell.
brought your drill?
All right, it's back there. Okay. Let's see. Oh. Oh, yeah, there's it's marked over there. Hold on. No. Okay, I think I got it, but, well, I guess we'll find out. Oil burner, I think. Just make sure. Oil burner. Uh-oh. Oil burner, it was
You're
marked.
gonna have to turn it back on.
Okay.
We killed all the power down there. We have no lights,
Really?
no nothing. Yeah.
Okay. Oh. I gotta turn it on. It's not just the furnace, but the rest of the power. There we go. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Get that out of there.
Oh, yeah, I love.
It has a very high energy rating. Well, they got it out of the crawl space. Should have been on hand to record that. I was thinking of asking him to take it back so we could reenact it, but maybe I won't. There's the new one. Several applications of WD-40. Pretty bad shape. Even has weeds growing in it. Wow.
Ouch, you suck. Pull the same one I was after. He wants to get it before he put it in, Freddy, so he can't see the dent.
I'll have to take a couple hundred off for that. Oh, very nice. Wow. I got a filter too. That is swank.
What about the Otons?
Ooh.
Look, someone has stole the burner off this, Freddy.
Huh?
Someone stole the burner off of this.
Looks kind of nice, just sitting there and toying with the idea of just leaving it as a an installation, you know, like an art installation. Furnace piece. I don't know. If I can get a grant for it, maybe I would.
Who used to have this?
Wow. That's, might be some diamonds in there.
There might be.
It's breathing that crap. Oh, God. Yikes. I really like the way the room has been opened up by the removal of the old furnace. It's very nice. Looks so different. I just can't get over it. It's very cute. A little girl hugging a Saint Bernard with a cask of oil instead of cognac. Actually, I could use a cognac right about now.
Oh, you're on candid camera.
Oh, shit. Janus is getting nowhere.
That's the new burner. It's very nice looking. The furnace seems to be a little too big to get in through the door, so what's going to happen? You're going to cut down part of the furnace, or?
Yeah, we're going to cut the furnace in half and then go inside and weld it back together.
Oh.
You have to cut the return hole out.
All right, we're coming in two.
Go in 2.5.
2.5. Oh, that's the original hole. On the other side of it.
I didn't measure how deep the return box. I just go to the usual.
Go to the usual hole?
Yep.
Oh, I don't know. Hang on.
Go to shaft.
That's what I said. I've been with you too long. Shit.
Oh, God.
25.5, Freddy. Huh? The original hole.
Obviously a ritualistic or
Freddy.
Kabbalistic design. Oh, it's a portrait of Freddy.
That gives me a reason to hit it. Got it?
don't know. For some reason, it makes me nervous to watch him cutting a hole in my new $3,400 furnace. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. It's the new hole. It's very nice.
Oh, that's what I say. All right, hang on, I'm coming down.
Almost to the edge. You're gonna have to.
I know. Can you hold it there? Man, I lost all that damn weight. Jiminy crickets. You're lucky I got skinny. Ready?
Oh, God.
Come over and you can fight. Hold on.
Okay.
What the hell?
Oh, God.
More?
Walking back.
What do you want? Come to you? Coming at you. Your fingers ain't under there, are they?
Easy hold. Come on a little more.
I'm not moving. All right.
The wall.
Huh?
Something's crooked.
Yeah.
Yes, we can.
That's how it was. Just like that. That wall's not straight. I'm gonna pull up. I'm gonna push up. What are you doing? This way we're saving the bottom of your furnace too.
Oh, good.
Ow!
That board underneath
Yeah.
is messing me up.
How?
You gotta go up higher so I can get it up. Yep. I got one more. Got me two.
Very odd noises coming out of there from time to time. Well, we've got some ductwork appearing. Progress is being made, I guess. How's it going?
Oh, it's getting there.
Very nice day. Going to turn off the power again. That means they are actually hooking it up to the electrical power system. Oh God. Oil burner. Okay. No, nothing really to see.
Oh, yeah. You know that.
That's got both in this back pocket jack.
Yep. You know that. 4, 5, 6, 7.
I'm serious. You got a boat. Tell me no, tell me no. Hold on, never turned it off.
I just turned it on.
Oh, okay. Oh shit, this is Columbia, right? Tell me no, tell me no, tell me. I need something to bleed this thing with. One little spill taps, two little spill taps. Watch so. What happened to the other bucket?
I have to go.
I think we're going to turn it on pretty soon. Okay, I'm going to turn it on and turn up the heat. Let's see. On. Heat on. Okay, it's on. Okay. Huh, it's on. I hear it.
When engine's done,
So
I'll
quiet.
begin to start up. Show you all the new features and shit in that furnace.
Oh, great. It's got features?
No, I'm just teasing.
Oh, okay.
Paperwork.
Uh-huh.
That's your burner. This is your furnace. Operating instructions.
Great. Thank
And
you.
how you can install the next one so we don't have to be here.
Yeah, I'll get back to you on that.
Alright. I slapped a filter in there. I don't know if that's the right one or not. I put one in there, but you are going to have to get one.
Oh, what? Well, to replace that.
Mhm.
That's why. That's not a decent one,
That's
or-
16 by 25. I don't... Freddie, what was that filter rack?
What was it?
Yeah. One at 25, but well, that's 16 by 25 went in there with no problem.
25.
I got one in it then. Then you need another one sooner or later.
1625,
Yep, air filter, yep.
and every 30 days, right?
During winter, right.
See if hot air is actually coming out of it. Not really.
Yeah, 14.
What's going on?
You're just doing some minor touch-ups.
Nothing to worry about, right?
Nah, just
No.
basic. Everything we're doing now is basic.
Mhm. Final adjustments are being
Go back
made.
there and look at that.
Oh,
While he's back there, let him go over it with you.
sure.
Show him the plugs.
The only thing you need to see is the reset button.
Yeah, but show him how you use it. Go ahead, Governor. Let me see you.
I've done it.
We moved everything over. It's a bigger furnace.
Okay.
While it's running, that light's on.
Uh-huh.
If it ever goes in safety, that little green light blinks.
Uh-huh.
That's the reset button. That's when you hit it one time.
Hit it once when it's blinking?
Yep. If you falling for heat,
Yeah.
come down here and see it blinking, then that's when you hit it.
What might cause that?
Power surge,
Yeah.
dirty nozzle,
And the cover just comes off, just snaps
I'll
off.
show you. Little hand plate.
Okay. Easy enough.
There's a safety switch here for the serviceman. We put 2 plugs in so that electricity.
Okay.
Like that, we put it up on bricks so it won't get wet.
That's good.
There's the oil filter, which you didn't have.
Oh, really?
Now you do.
I didn't have an oil filter.
Nope.
Huh. Does that need to be changed, or?
Once a year after this winter, your first tune-up, that and the screen and the
Right.
pump and
They'll
the
do that
nozzle.
during the service. But
Yeah, after your first tune-up. That's the new smoke pipe.
Smoke pipe? Where's?
Big, all hot now.
Yeah.
And that's the breech.
Oh, okay.
See, it pulls in to help the chimney draft.
I don't have to do anything on that,
Nope,
though.
that's set.
Okay. Wow. Well, thank you very much.
You can turn it down, turn it off, whatever you want to do.
Yeah, and turn off. You can do this.
How good, ain't it?
Yeah. Keeps me inspired to watch my figure.
Yep.
Okay. I'm gonna go turn it off now. Got a furnace.
One of these. When you're in a wheelchair, ugly and old. Well, ugly already. Old too.
Need help, little girl? Why are you trying to run over the tailgate?
I can't see it. You didn't say nothing.
Yeah, easy. Right now, turn it.
There goes one down. And there it goes. I should feel sentimental, but I'm not.
All the way back.
All done. So we bid a fond farewell. So long. Thanks. Maybe I'll go lie down for a while.